At the peak of the Cold War, a legendary spy plane emerged, the U-2. Students at the University of Florida sought to adapt this design into a remote control aircraft. The goal was a high aspect ratio vehicle capable of high altitude flight. With a traditional tail configuration, tricycle landing gear, and a tractor motor, the project came to life. After static and dynamic stability models were run, loads were calculated, materials were ordered, manufacturing began. Printing, wrapping, and gluing until the UF-2 was complete.